Did you know there's a fascinating fact about elephants that remains unknown to many? Elephants can use their trunks not just for drinking or picking up objects, but also for expressing emotions. These gentle giants show love and affection by entwining their trunks together, just like a warm hug. So next time you see an elephant, remember their trunks are not just versatile tools, but also a means of communication filled with love. Share this amazing fact with others, and let's continue to appreciate and protect these incredible creatures.